So this is the IMDB clone project, and I am actually done with this project. So let me show you a quick demo of this project. So let me search for any movie over here. Let me search for, there you go, the results start appearing, and the moment we click on add to favorites, yeah, 1 minute, yeah, as you can see it has been added to the favorites. And even if after refreshing, even after refreshing, this will be actually there present. If we want to remove, we can click on the remove button, and let me even refresh and show you. Yeah, right now there are no movies left. And also one more thing, let me add any movie to the favorites. I've added this to the favorites, and as you can see over here, there's this count of 1. So it is actually updating the count of favorite movies the user has. So this is one part. Also there's one more feature which has been added. Let me show you. So if we click on any movie, it actually redirects us to a new page, and it will actually show us the details of that particular movie. So this is which has been asked to implement. So let me actually go through the code. So this is the HTML, CSS and the JavaScript file for this project, and nothing much in the HTML file. I've added the basic div and div tags, span tags and all, p tags. Nothing much to talk about HTML over here. Yeah, I've added the basic is one thing. Over here in this h1 tag, I have on click is equal to show movies off. So the moment a user clicks on show favorite movies, this function will be triggered, and it shows all the favorite movies the user has added. So that is one thing. And also on input, the moment user starts typing for any movie, this function actually triggers in, and it will actually send the value that the user has typed to a particular API, and from that API we actually fetch the data and display it on the screen, display the basically the search result. So let me show you the JavaScript file of how that works. 1 minute. So this is the JavaScript file for that. So yeah, the moment user starts typing anything, this function actually gets triggered. Over here we are actually getting that input ID where the user types in, as we are saving it in the variable search input. So basically this function gets triggered, and we actually call another function over here, and we store the value that the user has typed in, and this function actually gets triggered. Async function get API of the search term that the user has typed in, and from this API URL we put the search term of the user, and it actually and we can actually fetch the data, and we convert it in JSON format, convert the data in JSON format, and after that, if the data.response is true, we actually get the data, we actually get the search results. In that search results, there is an attribute called data.search. It is an array basically containing all the search results of a movie, and we actually map over through that array, and we display it. This is all what is happening over here. We are creating elements and actually displaying it, and the moment user clicks on add to favorites, this thing gets triggered, and we are actually incrementing the count that I have shown you on the top of the favorites button, and also we are using local storage over here to actually store the favorite movies list of the user, so that even after the user refreshes the page, it will be intact, all the favorite movies will be present, and yeah, this is what this thing does is, if the user clicks on any movie after searching for it, it will actually open the information of that movie in a new page, and this is what it does. And there is another show movies function over here, which actually shows the favorite movies list over here, and also we write it again, document.get element by id of count. We are updating the count of the favorites list on the top of favorites, the red color number, that is what it is. Yeah, this pretty much is it for the JavaScript file as well. So yeah, this is it for it.